What's up guys, ParallaxOX here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a humanoid move between parts. So first you want to play your game just as is because you want to get a humanoid to move. There's also plugins that you could use to get parts instead of actually doing what I'm doing, but I'm just going to get a character of myself. So you wait until your character loads in, and then just go into work. Well, if you gotta wait for my character to load in, because my character is cool. You don't want to be just his face forever. I mean, you can be. It's gonna load in. Well, you just wait for yourself to load in. But just copy yourself, stop the game. Okay, then paste yourself in. Mine's just gonna be like that because I didn't load in. Okay, then you're gonna make yourself parts that you want it to move to. I recommend parts, but you do you. Okay, so rename the parts to whatever you want. You need to at least rename them so they're different names. I'm just gonna name it PR1. Come on. I'm gonna name it part. Just gonna name it part 1. Okay. So then you go into service script service. Insert a script. Get rid of print hello world. You don't need that. Okay, then you get your variables. Local person equals game dot workspace dot your player name or whatever name the model is. Mine's just myself. Then local humanoid to find the humanoid in the person equals person dot humanoid. Okay, so and then we're gonna get the parts, which local part equals game dot space dot part, and then you do it for the second part or how many ever parts you have. So local part 1 equals game dot workspace dot part 1. Okay, and then after you get all of the parts done for how many you have, then you do humanoid move to, make sure capital T and capital M, move to, then you do whatever part you have dot position, so it finds the position of the part. Okay, and then the next thing you do is between each part is that you do humanoid dot move to finished, and then you just put colon wait and then open bracket close bracket, and then you just do your next one, humanoid dot, well not dot, colon move to, and then part 1 dot position. So if we just play that now, well actually I'm just going to run it because it's way simpler than playing it and having a character loaded. So if I just run this game right now, it should just we'll walk to the parts, just back and forth. See, it goes there, my character is walking towards the part. Once it reaches the part, it goes to the next part, and because that we don't have while loop, I don't think it's going to repeat. No, it doesn't repeat. If you want it to repeat, it's a really simple fix. You just put a while true do, while true do, and then just put an end down here, and it'll do it forever. But that's going to be it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.